Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to improve leg circulation easily. These will be step-by-step instructions, so let's get right into this video. If you want to improve the circulation of your legs and all of the areas within your legs, this is the video for you. I'll be going over 6 easy things that you can do to improve that circulation. Now, better circulation will make you feel better, sound better, look better. It's just generally a great thing to have. So let's get right into the video. Number 1 is to walk more. Now, I know that it might be difficult for you to walk. It depends on your age, on your walking situation, your health situation. It might be difficult for you to walk more, but essentially the first thing and probably the best thing that you can do is walk more. Now, I'm going to move the camera up just for this part right here. I know it might be painful for you to walk, but you got to push through the pain. You have to push through that pain to walk more, because that will improve your circulation, which will allow it to be easier for you to walk more. So if you can manage to push through the pain, or I should say push through the discomfort. You don't want to push through the pain necessarily, but if you can manage to push through the discomfort by walking more, your circulation will improve and it will be easier for you to walk. That pain will start, that discomfort will start disappearing, okay? It's awesome how it works, but you got to take the first steps metaphorically and also realistically as well, okay? Number 2 is move them. So literally, doesn't mean you have to walk, right? Like if you're sitting on the couch watching a show, just move your legs. Just move your legs. Just move your legs. Just move your legs. I'm making this up. Just move your legs. Just move your legs. So literally, like if you're sitting watching a movie or a TV show, just move your legs. Just move your legs. Just stand up and walk on the spot, or sit on the couch and just move your legs. Even if you have to literally lift your leg up like that, it will improve the circulation. The more you move it, the more blood flow the body will direct at that ligament, and the more it will flow around there, okay? Number 3 is drink more water, okay? Now essentially, I don't need to show you my legs for this. So you need to drink more water. Water is the lifeline of your body, okay? Water is so important, and I've always been one to drink at least a decent amount of water, but my life changed when I drank more water. When I started just drinking 1 more liter, my life was completely revolutionized. I felt so much better. I was able to do so much more. Everything was better. I used to have an ankle pain whenever I walked for too long. Ever since I was basically 13, 14, and I started working like lots of hours, I was on my feet a lot at my part-time jobs, I had an ankle pain. Ever since I started drinking more water, I haven't experienced that ankle pain. And I literally felt that ankle pain for like 20 years. And then I drink a little bit more water, and it's like literally, it's just the cushioning that I needed. So it will help your circulation. Drinking more water helps everything in your body. Definitely helps circulation. Number 4, take deep breaths. Now, I'm not saying you have to all day long. That would be unrealistic. But honestly, take a few minutes, and you can call it meditation, you can call it whatever you want, but take a few minutes and take some extra deep breaths. That will force your body to pump that blood through itself and just get you circulating that blood. And one of the areas that blood will go to is your legs. For an added bonus, make sure you're moving your legs as you take your deep breaths. If you can move your legs, just move your legs. As you're taking your deep breaths, then guess what? A lot more blood flow and circulation will be going towards your legs. Okay? Number 5, because number 4, I'm just trying to keep myself on track here. Number 4 was take deep breaths at some point throughout the day. Number 5 is going to be take extra warm showers. Now, I was going to say take hot showers, but I don't want to say that because you shouldn't be taking a hot shower. It should just be like a little bit warmer than usual. Don't do anything that's going to make you feel uncomfortable in terms of temperature, but just try and go a little bit warmer than usual and a little bit longer than usual. Just literally stand. It's the easiest thing you can do. Stand under the hot shower for like 3 minutes. And what that does is the warmth from that water on your body actually dilates your vessels, which allows the blood to flow much easier, okay? Really, really cool. I actually, when I'm done showering, like when I'm done washing myself, cleaning myself, blah, 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 I'm shaving my head and my face, whatever else I'm doing, I essentially take an extra like 3 to 5 minutes and I just stand under the shower. And honestly, like for my age and the amount of lack of sleep that I get, I don't want to say the amount of sleep that I get, the amount of lack of sleep that I get, I'm like really, really healthy, and I have like unbelievable energy levels, okay? I have 4 young kids. What person that you know that has 4 young kids I work full-time as well, and I have this substantial channel and other online businesses as well, and I try and be at least a great husband. I don't want to say I am a great husband because that would be cocky, but I try to be a great husband, and you know, I still have lots of energy, as you guys can tell in these videos. With that being said, essentially, I attribute a lot of it to the fact that I take these long showers. I get that super circulation, that meditation. It just feels great, and that circulation will help your legs as well, believe it or not. Try and get that water directly on your legs if you can. That'll really help that circulation to the maximum level. And lastly is number 6, which is move your toes. I'm gonna make another song. Move your toes, just move your toes. Move your toes, just move your toes. Anyways, all joking aside, moving your toes is great. I'll tell you why. The blood always flows to the extremities, right? Your fingers, your toes, your head, those are the extremities. Those are the parts that are furthest away from your body. When the blood is flowing there, right? If you move your toes, you're gonna speed it up going back. You're gonna improve that circulation of blood flow going to your toes and then back up, okay? So moving your toes is great because it improves the blood flow specifically in your legs. The speed of that blood flow, which helps improve the circulation. Now that's basically it. Honestly, you really should be doing these. A lot of these are just generally healthy things to do anyways. So if you're experiencing a problem with circulation, I would say try these out because they're good for your body and your mind and your soul anyways. And they will help your circulation in your legs as well as an added bonus. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.